What you will learn. Instagram has become the go-to platform for serious business owners, advertisers, and marketers that are looking to build their business online. The power of Instagram lies in stark contrast to set up an Instagram account. Instagram is 100% free to get started with, and you can have a brand new Instagram account up and running in less than 5 minutes. The truth of the matter is, the overwhelming majority of business owners, advertisers, and marketers out there aren't using Instagram the right way to build their business or create the kind of financial future they've always dreamed of. In this course, we will share with you the skills and tools that you need to start and successfully monetize your Instagram. First, we will discuss the preparation process, such as how to set goals and plans, the skills that you will need, and how much it could potentially cost you to start and begin your own project. We will then discuss the planning process and the required niche studies you should consider before you try and become an influencer. After we discuss how to create your personal brand, we will explain how to get a large number of followers on Instagram, how to engage your audience, how to network, market, and advertise, and start getting paid for your Instagram influence. Once all of your social media outlets are complete and you have a substantial following, you are then able to start making money with your Instagram. We will explain to you how to find and approach your partners or sponsors, and how to use specific language to close deals and get paid. Although this may seem like a daunting task, this course will break the process down into many steps that make it easier for you to organize and easily complete each step with ease.